Hi guys, welcome to Learn and Play with Jessie. I will be building a cute tower out of these straws that my mother bought for me on Chocolate. I'm gonna attach the straw to the pan and make a cube. So you put another pan on. Once you do that, you take another pan. Let me just look for one here. Okay, here's one. So you have to make a square shape, any color you want. It's okay. You take one, you make it into a square. Okay. So we're gonna be making a cube. Okay, so you take another part here, né? Then you come and take. You see the span here? Yes. It looks like a star. Now we take another yellow pan. Okay, let me just. No, not a pan, a straw. Then we take one, put one up. This is just the base. And then in order to make the cube tower, they will have to go to the roof. So, no. This one over here, go there. And now be making a lot of cool stuff. So, stick out to the end. Then, okay, now we take two straws, we put them on. Okay, it kind of looks like a table right now, so let me fix that. Oops. Let me do that. Then put another one there. Then you put another one there. Okay, so this is, kind of looks like a robot. Okay, now you need another yellow one. You have to get it all around the corners. Then okay, to make it easier, if the pins are attached, just take them off, then you can put another one. Then we're gonna use this for the next cube. Then we put this. Take the cubes. Let's try again. Whoa. Nice and steady. Yay! There you have it, guys. This is my cool cube tower. Hope you liked it. Like and subscribe.